Children, so we're back to mathematics class. Today we will learn under unit 2 extension of numbers about the expanded notation. I hope that all the children have completed the remaining units like rapid recall, number beyond 9999, number system, face value and place value, and I hope that they understood the exercise. Today we are going to learn about expanded notation, comparing numbers and more practice in numbers. So let's see how to do that exercise. Expanded notation. This is your heading, expanded notation, that you have to put in your copy, and this is taken from page number 24. So in copy you have to write this side page number 24 and the heading is 5 expanded notation. Understood children how you have to do the work? So let's see what is expanded notation. We'll understand the expanded notation. So what is there? This is the number. What is written? How to read that number? You have learned that in the previous classes, no? So it is written 5,72,964. Read it. 5,72,964. So how to read it? Is it easy to read? Yes. Now I think you are feeling easy to read because you have completed your remaining exercise. So here, because 4 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 9 is in hundred place, 2 is in thousands place, 7 is in 10,000s place, and 5 is in lakhs place. So we will read it as 5,72,964. For the help, what you can do, you have to write the number and write their place value. Okay, as it is done, 5,72,964. Then 4 is in ones place, so 4 ones. 4 ones means that's equal to 4 multiply 1, that's equal to 4. 6 is in tens place, T stands for 10, so 6 tens, that's equal to 6 multiply 10 equals to 60. 9 is in hundreds place, so 9, that's equal to 9 multiply 100, that's equal to 900. 2 in thousands place, so 2000s, 2 multiply thousands equals to 2000. 7 is in 10,000s place, so 7 10,000s equal to 7 10,000, that's equal to 70,000. If you multiply 7 by 10,000, what will you get? See, 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7. So you will get 70,000. And 5 is in lakhs place, so 5 multiply 1 lakh, that is equal to 5 lakhs. Clear children? How you got this number? Now the number 5,72,964 in the expanded form can be written in 3 ways. There are 3 ways to write the number in the expanded form. To write any number in the expanded form. First way, this is the first way, okay? So that is 5 lakhs. So you have to write 5 in number and lakhs in words. That is spelling. Plus, because we are adding, expanded form means you have to add. Plus 7 10,000. 7 is in 10,000s place. So you have to write 7 then spelling 10,000s. Plus 2,000s as 2 is in thousands place. Then plus 900s, here you have done, no? 9 is in hundreds place. Plus 6 tens plus 4 ones. Clear? 6 tens, because 6 is in tens place, so 6 tens plus 4 ones. So this is the first way which we are following here to write the number in the expanded form. The second way is this one. Then how it is written? Second way, we are following this thing, okay? That is 5 multiply 1 lakh. Here it is written 5 multiply 1 lakh plus 7 multiply 10,000 plus, always you have to put the sign of plus, okay? Plus 2 multiply 1000 plus 9 multiply 100, this thing, plus 6 multiply 10 plus 4 multiply 1. This is the second way of the expanded form to write the number in the expanded form. Third way, that is this one. So always you have to start from the bottom, okay? From the bottom, that is 5 lakh plus 70,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 4. Are you following me children? If you are not getting me, if you are not understanding, you can ask me. Always I am telling. Otherwise, I will not come to know whether you are understanding or not. Clear? Understood this? Okay. So next we have this. These are the three ways in which you can write the number in the expanded form. You can follow any way. Okay, understood this? Now here I am going to explain you the fill in the blanks that given in your book. First question. Here you can see this is the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. The number is 27315. 27315. How you have to do your work in the copy? First of all, you have to write here 5. The unit name is expanded form. Expanded form. And the page number is what, children? Here, as I was teaching you know in the class, same way you have to follow. Page number, then you have to write the page number 24. Okay, 24. This is clear? So you have to put the heading and properly underline it. This heading you have to done. Then question 1 you have to write. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. This is your question 1 as you have to do in the copy. Then under this you can put first, because 1 2 3 then there will be confusion. First, okay, under that first one is 2 7 comma 3 1 5. Now this number you have to write in the expanded form. You can take out page number 24 of your book. Now you have to write this in expanded form. As this number, see children, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000. Now you can read it. What is written? 27,315. 27,315. So here in your book you can see dash 10,000 is written. Dash 10,000. Okay. So what is in 10,000 place? 2 10,000. So here in the blank you have to write 2 plus dash thousands. Dash thousands. So what is in the thousands place? 7 is in the thousands place. So you have to write 7. Plus that you have to write in the single line. Okay, here space is not enough. So teacher is writing in this way. Okay, dash hundreds. What is written? Dash hundreds. So what is in hundreds place? H means 3. So here you have to write 3. Plus dash tens. So 1 is in tens place. So 1 in the dash and tens. Plus what number is in ones place? 5 is in ones place. So 5 ones. Understood children? How you have to do? Okay. So this one question I have explained you. I am going to explain you one more question of the same. First one, fill in the blanks. That is question 2. Question 2 is what children? Question 2, same way you have to write that what number is in lakhs place and what is in the, like 9 is lakhs place, 7 is 10,000 place. So question 2 I am not doing. Question 3. For the question 3, dash multiply. This is question 3. The number is 7, 83, 429. Now you have to write this number in expanded form, but the way is different. The what is the way? Like dash multiply 1. How many zeros are there? 2, 2, 4, 5. 2, 2, 4, 5. 5 zeros means 1 lakh. So what you have to write? See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So what is in lakhs place? 7. So 7 multiply 1 lakhs. Then plus, bracket close, plus, this is said to be bracket. What you have to say? This is bracket. Plus, how many 10,000s? 8 is in 10,000 place. See here, 8 is in 10,000 place. So 8 multiply 10,000. Okay. Then close the bracket. Again put the sign of plus. Then what is in thousands place? 3 is in thousands place. So 3 multiply 1000. Then again close the bracket. Put it in the bracket. Then put sign of plus. Then what is next? Dash is in 100 place. 4 plus 100. Write in the bracket. Got it? 400. Then plus what you have to do? Plus 2. Now you have to show this 2. 2 is in tens place, no? So 2 multiply 10, that you have to write in the bracket, plus 9 multiply, this is in one place, so 1, that you have to write in the bracket. So that is the another way of writing the number in the expanded form. Now one more question, that last question I will explain you. That's last one, how you have to do. Last is fifth of the fill in the blanks first, that the number is 94705. Now this number you have to write in the expanded form in different way. Different way means one way is write simply, you have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, and this is 10,000. That is 9 is in the 10,000 place, so 9. Then how many digits are children there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4 is in thousands place, so 4,000. Plus 7 is in 100 place, so 700. Plus 0 means 0 only, because its place value, 0's place value is always 0. Plus 5 is in 1's place. Understood? So these exercises you have to do in the copy. Where you have to do? Copy. Now I have to explain you, sorry. Question 2. Write in short form. Write in short form. This question I am going to explain you here. Write in short form. Is it easy, no children? You have studied in your third class also, second class also, but in second class when you were studying, the numbers were small, the digits were small. Here we are studying about the large numbers, because you all are in which class? Fourth class. So you have to study about with the large number. Okay. So here the number is 9 lakhs, isn't it? 9 lakhs. Here in this page I will solve for you. Question 2 of page number what children? Page number 24. So what heading you have to write? Write in short form. Short form. So this is your question 2. You have to write in this way in your copy. Then for the 2, here you make in Roman number 2. Okay, this is Roman number 2, because otherwise it will be problem. So Roman number 2 and put the heading write in short form. So first one is done. First one is written this way, 9. Then how many zeros? Zeros you have to put carefully, that is 5 zeros. So you have to read it as 9 lakh. Then 50,000, 30. Plus, then what is next? 4,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 8. So here 8 is in one space children. So you know, just you put heading like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. then lakhs. Okay, here equals to, so because 8 is in tens place, so you write 8. 28 is in ones place, so you have written under ones 8. 20 is in tens place, so here you write 2. 6 is 100 place, so write 6. 4 is in thousand place, so write under thousand 4. 5 is in 10,000 place, so write 5. And 9 is in lakhs place, so write 9. Got the number? This is the number which you have got in short form. So always put the place value and then write the number, so you will get the correct answer. Sometimes you feel that is easy, but sometimes we commit mistake there. Okay, now one more question I will do of the same exercise. Question 2 only. This is Roman number 2 of the same exercise. Which one? Okay, I am doing third for you. Third is what? 4. After 4, how many zeros are there? 2, 2, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how will you read it? 40 lakhs plus 0. You open your book along with the video, okay, otherwise you will not get it. Plus 0 plus 4,000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 4. So what I have told you, children, write equals to, write the place value first. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, there should be gap, okay. 10,000s, then lakh, because here is 6 zeros, no, so 10 lakhs. Okay, now put the number. 4 is in ones place, so always starts from your right hand side. 4 is in ones place. 40 is in tens place, because 4 0 40, it means 4 tens. Here 0, nothing, 100 place. 4,000s, this is th, no, so you have to write under thousands place only. Here 0, nothing there, then it stays in tens place. 0, nothing, and here is 4. So how will you read it? 40 lakh. How to put the comma? According to Indian system, first 3, then 2. So 40 lakh 4,044. 4,044. Understood? So this way you have to do question number 2 given on page number 24. If you have doubt in any question, you can ask me anytime. You can give me message. Surely I will reply you. Now the next question. Next what we have? This question we have completed. This also we have done. Now we have comparing numbers. That the 6. So you have to put in your copy after doing first 2 questions. The heading comparing number and the page number is 25. Page number is 25. That you have to write in the copy. Now let's see how we can compare the numbers. Let's compare the 2 numbers. We have to compare 2 numbers. The number is 43512 or 7653. So it's a 5-digit number. See how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. 2 is the 1 digit, 1 is the second digit, 5 is the third digit, 3 is the 4th digit, and 4 is the 5th digit. That's why it is written 5-digit numbers. And here 76543 has 4 digits. 76553 has 4 digits. Like 3 ones place, 5 tens, 6 which place 100 and 7,000. So by the number of digit only we come to know, children, that which is greater. The number which has more digit, that number is greater, and the number which has less digit, the number is smaller than that. Understood? We know that 5-digit number is greater than the 4-digit number. This is 5-digit number, so this is greater. Okay, so fish will open the mouth, crocodile will open the mouth on that side, because this number is greater, and crocodile will say that I will take more. Isn't it? You all have studied, know this. So this is greater, so this Crocodile had opened the mouth towards the greatest number. Understood? Why greatest? Because it has more digit, it has less digit, so it is easy to compare in this question. Okay, now what is next to that? Next is compare having same numbers of digit. Now there you had seen in the last question, previous question, you had seen that digits were more, in one side there were more digits, means 5 digits, and the other side there were 4 digits. So it was easy to compare because more digit means that is the greater. Now here the digits are same, here the digits are same. What is digits? You understood, no? As I have told, in English alphabets are there, A, B, C, D, letters are there. Same way in maths, that is digits. When the numbers are written together, that is the digits. So here see 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 8, 4, 7, 5. 5 digits are here and 5 digits are here also. Understood? So you can count. So 5 digits are both sides. Now what you have to do? You have to compare. How will you come to know that which one is greater? So you have to start to compare the number from which side? 7 is both. Here see, this is the last place. So you have to compare the last place. This is the last one. 7. It means that fifth. This is 5 digit number, no? So you have to compare the fifth digit. 7 both are same. So that is equals. So you have to see the next digit, that is here is 8, here is 9. So we know that 9 is greater than 8. 9 is greater than 8. The number of digits are same. In case the digits are same, so you have to start comparing the number from the last from the which digit? From the first digit. From the first digit. From here it is first, no? So from there you have to compare. If the first number is same, that is equals to. Okay, so you have to see this. See, 7 here, 7, and this side also 7, that are equal. Okay, then you have to see 8, 9. So 8, 9, that is the next to that. So 8 and 9. So 9 is bigger. It means the number which has this digit 9 1, that number is greater. It means 79,439 is greater. 79,439 is greater than the this number. 79,439 is greater than the 78,456. So crocodile will open the mouth towards that. Understood how to compare the number? If here also you will get in the second place also, if you are getting the same number, then you have to go to the third place. Then you have to compare the third. So third place both have 4, 4. So that is equal. Then you have to see the fifth place. Fifth place, here 5 is there, 3 is there. In case these numbers are, the number before that are same, like I am giving you one more example. In case if you have the number is 8, 8, okay, 6, 4, 1, and the other side the number is 8, 8, 6, 4, 2. So first of all, what you have to compare? First of all, you have to compare these two numbers. If these two numbers are same, it means equal. Then you have to compare this and this, then that is also equal. Then you have to compare these two numbers, that is also equal, this also equal. Then last number is 1 and 2. So 1 is bigger and 2 is, or 2 is bigger. We know 2 is bigger. So this number is greater. Okay. So what you have to do? 8, 8, 6, 4, 1. Then this crocodile will open the mouth towards the greater one. So you have to open the mouth towards the greater. Understood? Understood, children? Now, what is next? Next you have put the correct sign. Now you have to put the correct sign. How will you put the correct sign? What are the signs? You know the signs. That is the sign of greater than. This is the sign of less than and equals to. These are the different signs. How will you put the sign? Now you have to start comparing 6, 7. So 7 is greater. So fish will open the mouth. That's it. First of all, you have to count the digits. Okay. Here 2, 5 digits. Here also 5 digits. Then you have to start comparing. Now 2, 1, 2, 1, first 2 digits. Then 3 is there. Then after here 3 is there. Here 2 is there. So see, ones, tens, 100 place. See 100 place. Here is 3. Here is 2. So 3 is greater. Then your fish will open that side. Okay, crocodile will open the mouth that side, that is the greater than. Here 5, 5, 7, 7, same. There all the numbers are same, so that is equals to. Okay, understood? But first of all, you have to count the digits. The number which has more digit, that is greater. Okay, now this question 2, circle the smallest number. Question 2, circle the smallest number. This is question 2. Now which one is smallest? So here this full row you have to compare in whole row. Which one is smallest? This is starts from 5. This starts, all the number has the same digits. All have 5 digits. Say 5 digits, 5 digits, 5 digits, 5 digits. Okay. Now you have to start comparing from the 10,000 place. No, 1000. This is 1000. This is 10,000. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is 5 in 10,000 place. So you have to compare the number from the 10,000 place. Here 5, 1, 1, 4. So you have to find the smallest one. 5 is greater, 4 is greater than 1, 1. Both are same. Next to 1 is, here is 7, here is 5. So 5 is smaller. So which number is smallest? 15,903 is smallest. So which number you have to circle, children? Which number? 15,903. Got it? Now third shall I do for you? Now here see the number of digits 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 digits are there. Here 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. Here number of digits are 6. Here 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Here also 6 digits. So this one is greatest one because there the digits are more. Now you have to compare these 3 numbers. These 3 numbers, how will you compare? Start from this place. Okay, 5. Here 5 is there. Here 9 is there. Here 8 is there. So which one is smallest? 5 is smallest. So 5 is the smallest. When you compared 5, 9, 8. 5, 9, 8. 5 is the smallest. So this number is smallest. So you have to encircle that number. Which one is the smallest? This is the smallest. Got it? Similarly, here you have to encircle the greatest number. Which has the greatest number? First one I am doing for you. 7. Number of digits all have the same. 7, 8, 3, 3. You know 8 is greater than remaining all. So this is the greatest number. I hope that exercise is easy. You can do it easily. So we will not give much time. Now come to the next. Arrange in the ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Small to big. Okay, learn it. Ascending means small to big. So you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So for arranging, you have to compare the number. So we have seen that all the numbers have the same digits. Digits are same. 1 will count. Otherwise you will not get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Here also 2 to 4, 5 digits. 2 to 4, 5 digits, 5 digits. All have the 5 digits. Now you have to see the place. Look at this place. This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Look at the 10,000 place. 7, 7, 7, 7. All are same. Now look at the thousands. 0, 9, 0, 9, 1, 0. 0, 9, 1, 0. See children. Thousands place. Here is 0. Here is 9. Here is 1. Here is 0. Now you have got in the 2 places. Here is also 0. Here is also 0. So both are same. Now see the 100 place. This 100 place. Here is 9. And here is what children? Here is 1. So this number is smallest because 1 is smaller than 9. So first of all you have to write the number 0, 1, 9, 8. Okay. You have to write in this column 0, 1, 9, 8. Then put comma. Then next 0, 1, 9, 8. Next to that is, because these two you got greater, no? So next to that is, this is done. This is the second. 7, 0, 9, 1, 8. Then next to that 70918. This is also over. Cut it over. Now you have to compare these two. 79070. You know 71 is smaller. So 71098. Then put comma. Last is 79018. That numbers you have to write in these blanks. Okay. Understood how to compare? So do comparison carefully and complete the exercise. Shall I do one more for you? Okay, one more question. Fourth one. 66, 66, 66, 66. All have 66 up to the 10,000, ones, tens, 100,000. Thousands place, 10,000 place, all have the same number. Now you have to compare the 100 place. 100 place, here is 7, here is 0, here is 5, here is 5. So you know that 0 is the smallest one. So first of all you have to write 66057 in the first column. This is over. Now you have to compare remaining. 667, 665. Here is 5 in 100 place. Here is also 5. Then you have to see that tens place. Compare these two numbers because that is the greater. So here is 665, 665, 665, 665. Both you are getting same. Here is 07. Here is 70. So you have to see tens place 7 and 0. Here in tens place 0 is there. Here in tens place 7 is there. So 0 is smaller. And you have to arrange in ascending order. So you have to write this number first. Okay, 666507. Okay, done. Now what is left? This number you have to write 66570. Now at last 66750. Okay, you have to listen carefully. Understood? So this way you have to complete the numbers writing in ascending order. This descending order means big to small. Big to small. Big to small means you have to find out the greatest number. Here 48, here 68, here also 68, here 46. So 48 is the all have the same number of digits, isn't it? So you have to see these two means 4 is smaller than 6 and 6. So you have to compare first these two numbers. 68, 68 same. Then next to that is also 6 is there, 6 is there, 0 is there, 0. So you have to see ones place only, ones place 9, 8. So 9 is the greater one. So you have to write in ascending order, big to small, no. So big to small. See here, this number, this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So you will read it as 68,609. Here 68,608. So 8 is smaller and 9 is greater. We have to write in big to small. Descending order means big to small. So this one is greater. So this is number 1. This is number 2. Then you have to compare these two numbers. So 48 is here. Here 46 is there. So this is number 3. This is number 4. Okay, this way you can write the number also. Then first you have to write the first blank like 68609. Then second blank, second number 68608. Third blank, third number 48608. Then fifth blank 46806. Write the greatest 6-digit number that can be formed using the following digit in two cases. So you have to find out the greatest 6-digit number that can be formed using the following digit in two cases. Two cases you have to write the greatest number. You have to make the greatest number. For making the greatest number, you have to write the number in which order? Big to small. Big to small means descending order. So 5 is the greatest one, no? So first of all you have to write 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, 1, 0. We got the greatest number of 6 digits. 6 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same way you have to arrange this side also. Write the smallest 6-digit number found by using the following digit in the two ways. Now two ways also you have to write. See here, these two are two ways. Okay, So here also you have to write the smallest, then start from small. The smallest means you have to start from 1, children. 1 after 1 0, because before the number 0 has no value. After writing any number, then only you have to write 0. 1 0 3. If you are writing 0 1, it means then this has no value. So we have to make 0 means nothing, no. So after, when we are adding 0 after any number like 1 2 3, it has the value. So 1 0 3, 1 0 3, then 6 7 8. Okay, because we have to write in smallest form. Same way you have to do this. Then next is write the numbers in expanded form. Expanded form you have learned, no, by putting plus sign. Like here 2 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 2, then 50 plus 0, because if we are writing 0 in expanded, 0 only. Then 8, then 3 zeros plus 600 plus 0 plus 0. We have written the number in expanded form. Same way you have to do remaining also. Now next is give the place value and face value of the color digit. You have studied about place value and face value. So you have to give place value and face value of color digit. Colored, here colored number is 5. The colored number is 5. The place value of 5 is 5, because this is ones, tens, 100, 1000. 5 thousands. 5 thousands. Then you can write that's equal to 5 1 2 3 zeros, or that's equal to, here you can write 5 multiply 1000. Okay, all three methods we have done. So same way you have to do remaining questions. Now 7th is build the number in which 5 in thousands place, 3 in lakhs place, 1 in 100 place, and 8 in ones place. So you have to make any number in which 5 is in 1000 place. So you have to write the place value first. You have to write question 7 in your copy, then write solution. Then for solution you have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, because here the numbers are up to lakhs. 3 in lakhs place, so write 3 in lakhs place, under 3. Lakhs 3. Okay, 5 in thousands place, so write under 1000 5. 5 in thousands place. Then 5 in 1000 place, 3 in lakh place, 0 in 100 place, so under 100 0. 8 is in ones place, 8 is in ones place. So remaining places are vacant, no, nothing is there, so you have to put there 0. You will get this number. Clear, children? Now the last question 8. Make the greatest smallest number by choosing any 5 digit. Make the greatest and smallest number by choosing any 5 digit. Any 5 digit you have to choose and make the greatest 5 digit number. Greatest 5 digit number you can choose any, make the greatest and smallest number by choosing any 5 digit. Any 5 digit number. 5 digit number means this, if we are writing 999 5 times, that is the greatest 5 digit number, isn't it? And smallest, for smallest you have to put 1, then 1 2 3 4. That is the smallest 5 digit number. So here you have to write greatest, then you have to write the number, smallest, then put hyphen and write the number. This is your answer. Clear? Next, what is there? Multiple choice question. So this is multiple choice question, and you have to do it because I have taught you full exercise. One more than largest 5 digit number. Now largest 5 digit number is for children. 9, 5 times you have to write 9. That is the largest 5 digit number. Largest 5 digit number. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then how will you read it? That is 2 2 4 5, 99,999. One more than that. More than means plus 1. So what will you get? 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1, 10. Carry 1, 10. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. You got the number. What number you have got? Read it. This is 1 lakh. 5 zeros means 1 lakh. Remember that, okay? Or you can put the place value ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, then lakh. That's why 1 lakh is the correct answer. Second, the smallest 7-digit number in the international system. International system, do you remember, children? 7-digit number in the international system. What is in international? Millions are there, no? So 7-digit number in the international system is the smallest 7-digit number. So you have to write the place value chart according to international system, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000 according to international system, okay? Then million, then 10 million. Now you have to write what is smallest 7-digit number. There should be 7 digit. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. This is 7. Got it? That is in million place. Okay. The smallest number always starts from 0. Greatest number always starts from 9. Clear? So what is your correct answer? 1 million is your correct answer. So you have to do this work, but you should know that how it is done. This is the correct answer. So if you are doing this work in the copy, you can do solution, that how we got this number. Like I have done this, no solution. Solution is what? 999. I have written 9 5 times, then add 1. That is the solution how you got 1 lakh. So if you will study for the exam, you will come to know easily that how teacher has put the tick on the 1 lakh. So you have to do solution and do all the work in the copy, children. Quite big exercise, but do it slowly, okay? But complete it soon. Third, 100,000 is equal to 100,000 is equal to 100,000, children. 100 and then after that, that is 1000. 3 zeros for 1000. 100,000 is equal to how many zeros are total? 5 zeros. So that is equals to 1 lakh. The smallest 6-digit number, fourth one. The smallest 6-digit number that can be formed with the digit 3, 0, 7, 8, 4 and 5. So you have to start from the smallest number. The digits are 3, 0. The digits are 3, 0, 7, 8, 4. I am teaching you fourth one. So smallest number you have to find. I told you don't have to start from 0, because before any number if we are putting the 0, it has no value. उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होता है, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं होता है, तो उसके बाद ही नंबर लिखना है, ठीक? Then you have to start from the smallest one. Here smallest number is 3. So you have to write 3. Then 0. Then 4. Then 7. Then 8. So your smallest 6 here. Total how many digits are there, children? 2, 2, 4, 5 digits are there. You have to make 6 digits. One more number is there. 3, 0, 7, 8, 4. Then 5 is also there. So here you have to write 5. This is your answer. 3, 0, that you have to read it as 3 lakh 4,578. 3 lakh 4,578. First answer is your correct. Done. Fifth, the correct answer for the number is written in expanded form. The number is written in expanded form, so you have to find out the answer. This is easy. Place value is also easy. Place value of 8. So you have to write the zeros 8. After that, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 80,000. That is the place value. Okay. Then next is, what is next? I have explained you up to the question number 6th. Yes. 7th. The greatest number in the following number is. Here all full page is not there, so you have to open the book. 7th. The greatest number in the following number is. Greatest number in the following number. The numbers are 30,903, then 30,030, 30,390. So for finding out greatest, you have to compare the first number. Numbers are given 30903, 30030. Then next is 30390. Question number what? 7th. Okay, so you have to compare it. This is 30, this is also 30, this is also greatest, you have to find out. Then third digit here is 9. So this number is the greatest. Okay, so you have to put tick on the this one. Which is the correct answer? How you got the correct answer? You have compared the number. In all the number, the first two are 30. Then in third place, this is the 100 places 9. That one is the greatest, because remaining 100 places 0 and 3. So this is the greatest. Wait. Places in thousands period as per international system are. Places in thousands period as per international period. So as per international system, places for the as per international system, places in thousands. See, ones, tens, hundred, then thousands. Okay, so as per international system, there are 3 places. This is 100, this is 1000. Sorry, children, I'm teaching you. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this is 100,000. This is the as per international system, the periods are divided in 3. This is the ones period and this is the thousands period. So it is asked places in thousands period. This is the thousands period, no children. So how many places are there? 3 are there. So your correct answer is 3. Where is 3 here? I will show you. Question number 8. Wait. Question number 8. This is the correct answer. Did you understand how? Because first period is ones place. Ones is there. In ones 3 are there. Ones, tens, 100. In thousands also 3 are there. What is that? Thousands, 10,000s, then 100,000. So places periods are 1000 periods are 3. 9th. 0 in 1 crores are. In 1 crore, how many zeros are? Question number 8. This one. In 1 crore, how many zeros are? This. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore. Put the zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Crore they have asked, no? Zeros in 1 crore. How many zeros are there? See, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many zeros? 7 zeros. Put tick on 7. The number that has 2 in thousands place. So this is easy question. The number in that has 2 in thousands place. Which number 2 has thousands place? See, first number, this is thousands place. The number that has 2 in thousands place. 2 in thousands place. So thousands place. In the first number, first number is 524,097. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000. So here 2 is not in thousand place. So that is not the correct answer. Question 2. Next, this write it. 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 6. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here also 2 is not in thousand place. So this is also not the correct. This third number 562003. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So here 2 is in thousand place. So that is your correct answer. Put tick here. So understood, children? Whole exercise. So do your work, understand the video, watch the video carefully, do your work one by one, do 1 question, 2 question, Then again see the video, do next questions. So this way you complete the exercise and show it to me. Okay children, so here, thank you.